Welcome to Volt Bandit. Today, we confront a vital survival question that most people get wrong. Can a $50 Walmart survival kit really beat a $500 professional bug-out bag? We're about to find out. We have the budget $50 kit on the left, often dismissed as basic. On the right, the $500 Pro bag, filled with top-tier tactical gear. We test them head-to-head. One wins on value, one wins on pure performance. But one result shocked us, and it changes everything about survival preparedness. First, the most crucial element for survival, shelter. We dive into round one, the shelter test. The $50 kit relies on a basic poncho for cover, offering minimal protection. The $500 bag provides a heavy-duty, waterproof tarp and a quick-deploy sleeping system. The true test is warmth gear. Under simulated storm conditions, the $50 emergency blanket failed quickly, while the Pro Bag's thermal sleeping bag held the heat. Most people fail survival before night even begins. Losing core temperature is a fast track to failure. Keep watching to see which kit earns the shelter point. Next, the essential of life, water. Round two is the water test. Without clean water, you have 3 days, tops. The $50 kit offered basic purification tablets and a standard water bottle. The $500 bag, however, included a high-flow water filter and durable carrying options. We tested both methods on stagnant water. One bag solves thirst effectively and immediately. The other creates problems, requiring long wait times and leaving doubt about safety. This difference is life or death. Moving on to energy and signaling. Round 3, food and fire. Staying nourished and warm is critical for morale and clear decision-making. The $50 kit provided non-perishable snacks and a standard lighter. The $500 bag contained calorie-dense freeze-dried meals, a robust fire steel, and a portable stove for hot food. Hunger and exhaustion change decisions fast. When stress hits, the ability to quickly source calories and make fire without failure is priceless. This round exposed massive quality differences. The unsung heroes, tools and medical supplies. Round 4 covers tools and medical. This is where small problems become manageable or catastrophic. We compared flashlights, knives, multi-tools, first aid kits, and communication devices. The $50 kit's first aid kit was minimal, and its knife struggled with basic cutting tasks. The $500 bag's gear was professional grade, including a vital emergency radio. This category decides whether small problems, a cut, a sprain, or loss of communication become minor setbacks or irreversible disasters. The quality difference here was alarming. Our final challenge, mobility. A bug-out bag is useless if you can't carry it long distances. Round 5 tests comfort, weight, and organization. The $50 bag straps dug in after 1 mile. The $500 tactical bag, though heavier, distributed weight professionally. Organizationally, the Pro bag allowed for rapid access to gear, unlike the chaotic single pocket of the budget option. A heavy, uncomfortable bag can destroy your escape plan. If you slow down, you're exposing yourself to danger. Mobility is not a luxury, it's a survival necessity. We've tallied the points across 5 critical categories: shelter, water, food and fire, tools and medical, and mobility. The results are in. The best budget winner is clear, but the best real survival winner demands top performance. The smartest move, however, may be the $50 bag upgraded with these 5 essential items, which we detail next week. Let us know, Team $50 or Team $500? Subscribe Volt Bandit.